Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix talent acquisition for Google. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by identifying the current challenges in Google's talent acquisition process. Conduct a thorough analysis of feedback from hiring managers and candidates. Review metrics such as time to fill and candidate quality to uncover pain points. Engage with key stakeholders to gather insights on their experiences. Develop a clear understanding of the company's talent needs for both current and future roles. Map out the existing talent acquisition workflow to identify bottlenecks. Prioritize areas that require immediate improvement. Implement an applicant tracking system to streamline the hiring process. Showcase company culture through targeted branding initiatives. Leverage data to inform sourcing strategies and reach diverse candidate pools. Train recruitment teams on effective interviewing techniques and bias reduction. Enhance the candidate experience through clear communication and timely updates. Create comprehensive job descriptions that accurately reflect role expectations. Utilize social media and professional platforms to expand outreach. Network with universities and industry organizations to build a talent pipeline. Regularly review and refine recruitment strategies based on industry trends. Establish a feedback loop with candidates and hiring managers to continuously improve the process. Monitor and adjust the talent acquisition strategy regularly to ensure it aligns with business goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.